Right, we're here at the Menger Hotel in San Antonio, Texas. We're going to do a hotel room review and check out the hotel inside and out and check out the room. This hotel is known for being haunted. Right to the left of it is the Alamo. While staying over at this hotel, there is lots of stuff to do, tourist activities. Right over here you have the mall. Then even across the street they have stuff like Wax Museum, Escape Room, Ripley's Believe It or Not. The Menger Hotel was established in 1859. And right here has some of the information, the historical information on the Menger Hotel. All right, I wanted to show off this area right here. This part of the hotel is like really beautiful looking. Check out that, all the different levels, all that architecture. Huh.
Do you remember Bill Clinton's in here?
They have a courtyard I'm going to check out. There's even the outdoor seating over here if you want to eat or drink at the Menger bar. They also have the bar. I'm gonna try to get some shots. It's closed right now, but it's a two-story bar. And when we took one of the tours, they talked about how this hasn't been updated, that it's still all original. This hotel does not have a parking lot, so what you do is you have valet parking. You park right over here, they pick up your car and then send you a text, and it's not included. And then here's where you go to your meals. It's not complimentary breakfast, but to give you an idea. I'm gonna show off some more of the lobby. Lots of historical stuff to check out. The Theodore Roosevelt. So you can see these little displays and get a lot of fun facts in history. Even more stuff to see inside this hotel. It's kind of like a museum. All right, so we're on the third floor, and now we're going to be going to our room and check it out. All right, here is the room reveal. Thought you were ready.
I wasn't ready. The ghost told it.
So this room right here is 2 beds, 2 full beds.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Comes with a couch. They do have theming. You were saying, who is this?
Your mother said it's the Rat Pack.
So the Rat Pack?
Yes.
And there's a couch. Go ahead and sit in it and show how comfortable it is.
Oh, it's not.
So it comes with a fridge.
And you have to keep this locked because it's a joint room.
Oh, it does have the option for joint room.
Mm-hmm.
It comes with an armwire, TV, has the coffee.
Sammy Davis Jr. Who wants that? Davis Jr. Who wants that?
Here is the bathroom. It has really fancy like marble. Like that's a nice shower. So it's a walk-in shower. So just to give you an idea how it looks. And then I think the view is really nice. This room right here, it has a room view of the Crockett Hotel. We're gonna go on the balcony. You can even see the back of the Alamo.
It's a monster. Apparently I don't know how to open it.
Oh, I thought it was sliding, but it opens up like there. So look at the balcony. You have a little balcony with a chair and a table. So here is the view of downtown San Antonio. You have the Crockett Hotel. There is the backside of the Alamo. You can see the Emily Morgan Hotel, another hotel we want to check out eventually. All these hotels are supposed to be haunted. And then check out this beautiful view right here of the balcony. The siding is really low.
That pool's dirty.
They also have a pool. Well, it's got leaves because right now it's still considered, it's just now the beginning of spring, but this gives you an idea of the pool. I see a checkerboard over here also. So if you want to play some chess, life-size pieces. Actually goes kind of deep for a 9 foot, 9 foot 2 feet, or 9 feet 2 inches.
It looks deep.
There's also a fitness center overlooking the pool.